So the new Mission Impossible movie came out, and it was fucking amazing. I just seen it yesterday. It came out last week. I think it was May 26th. It's the final Mission Impossible movie with Tom Cruise. It says the franchise might continue, but Tom Cruise is finished with the genre. Uh, and I liked it. I couldn't have it any other way. I give it 10 out of 10 because after last year, what was the Mission Impossible Dead Reckoning Part 1? That ending, mm, shit. But when this thing came out, I was so happy and I'm pleased with the movie. So I would recommend it. Go to watch it. Please leave a like and subscribe.